सुख करता, तू दुख हरता, तूच करता.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटी समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुर्मे देव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. सर्व गणेश भक्तांचे कॅम्ब्रिज इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल तर्फे हार्दिक स्वागत. संस्कृतीकडून समृद्धीकडे वाटचाल करता करता आज जागरूकता आणायची खूप जास्त गरज आहे. माणसांचा जमाव तर आहेच, पण माणुसकीची गरज आहे. शिक्षा जीवनात पुस्तकांमध्येच नव्हे तर आचरणात आणायची गरज आहे. आपल्या इतिहासामध्ये मुलींची पहिली शाळा महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले यांनी सुरू केली, पण आज खरी मुलांची शाळा आणि संस्कार वर्ग असे महान व्यक्तिमत्व महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले सारख्यांची गरज आहे. चुकीचे वागणे, बोलणे, खाणे, पिणे म्हणजे जगणे नव्हे आणि यामध्ये कुठलेही वाव फॅक्टर नाही. आज खरे तर नजर और नजरिया बदलायची गरज आहे. आज खरी गरज आहे चांगले आई वडिलांची, चांगले संस्कारांची, शिवरायांची, जिजाऊंची. कलियुग आहे म्हणून काहीही खपवून घेणार नाही. आम्ही श्रीराम, शिवराय व राणांचे वंशज आहोत हे विसरायचं नाही. गल्लीत, चौकामध्ये, टपरीवरती, ऑफिसमध्ये, रस्त्यावरती आम्ही टवाळगिरी खपवून घेणार नाही. शिक्षा व समजूत खरंच देण्याची गरज आहे. संस्कार तेवढेच महत्त्वाचे आहे. आज मुलांसाठी शाळा काढण्याची गरज आहे. ही पंक्ती विसता कामा नये, ही पंक्ती विसता कामा नये. जीवन हे प्रकाशमय असते आणि जननी ही जीवन प्रकाश आहे. या प्रकाशाला ग्रहण लागता कामा नये. तर सर्व माझे विद्यार्थ्यांनो, स्टाफ, कॅम्ब्रिज इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल, सर्व पालकांना गणेश उत्सवाचे हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Which means the women are honored, divinity blossoms there. We have taken this theme because we believe that women are given that due respect, even deities like to reside there, and that they are not respected, all actions remain unfruitful. From Ramayana to Mahabharata, that is from Dwapar Yuga to Treta Yuga, we have seen that women are always respected and secured. We are very lucky to be Indians that we can witness how women are protected and secured. But when we look at Ramayana and Mahabharata, there comes a question in my head that why there comes a need to protect the dignity of a woman. It's a privilege that we are born in a land where Mahatma Jyotirao Phule existed, who empowered and educated women for a prosperous life. Mahatma Phule and Savitribai Phule's contributions towards the society are endless. Naming a few, they started the first girls' school in Pune and also contributed towards the upliftment of backward communities. As we talk about strong women, how can we not remember Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's mother, Jijabai, known for her values, virtues and valor, which inspired Shivaji Maharaj to establish the Hindutva Swaraj. Mother's values are truly precious, as Shivaji Maharaj never disrespected any woman, even from the enemy troops. After respect, women receives one more asset, that is equality and freedom. And this asset was given by Rani Padmavati. Now, moving further, let us remember Jhansi Ki Rani, Rani Lakshmibai, and her unbounded spirit in the face of adversity, her passion for freedom, and love for the people. Now we will talk about Indira Gandhi, the most powerful Prime Minister of our country. She worked on poverty elimination and removing injustice and inequality from our country. Now, after witnessing equality, let us witness soulfulness. I'm talking about the Queen of Melody, the Nightingale of India, and the voice of the millennium, Lata Mangeshkar. Lata ji is the most beautiful playback singer that touches the hearts and souls of millions through her songs. The story of every Indian woman doesn't end here, as we have Kiran Bedi, the first Indian woman to join Indian police service. She brought a strong instrument in India that is introducing prison reform. She also broke gender barrier in a male-dominated field by becoming IPS officer. After looking at the stories of such brave women, I look at the current scenario of Indian women where women are being assaulted and abused. It makes me think, are women really safe? Definitely not. And it is quite disturbing. I think women have the right to live freely in their own country. Have we all forgotten the values that we saw in the beginning? Cambridge International School has decided that through this theme, we will give women the most priceless ornament, that is respect and safety. We feel why not make the boys and men aware about girls' safety and security right from an early age. Then automatically, girls will be safe. Let a woman have her place, because as you provide a foundation for her, she provides a foundation for you. And through this comes strength. Now I would like everyone to focus over here. Here, the hands represent maids, who should be taught the moral value of protecting and securing women. And the Diya symbolizes women who have every right to live freely and a dignified life, where they can fly high in the sky and achieve their goals. चलती है रोशनी देती है, इसे सुरक्षित रखना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। थैंक यू।